In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a Confluence space. Renaming a space is a straightforward task, but it helps to know exactly where to click and what to expect. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently update a space name and confirm that the change appears everywhere it should. Start by opening the Confluence space you want to rename. Make sure you're looking at the correct space by checking its current name at the top and the pages listed in the sidebar. If you're working in multiple tabs or on several projects, it's worth taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place before making changes. Next, ensure you have space admin permission for this space. You'll need that level of access to modify details like the space name. If you have the correct permission, you'll see options related to managing the space. If you don't see them, you likely don't have admin rights and won't be able to proceed. With the space open, go to Space Settings. Depending on your Confluence layout, you may find this in the left-hand sidebar or associated with a gear icon. Space Settings is the central hub for everything related to configuration and administration for the space you're working in. Within Space Settings, open Space Details. This section contains the key identifiers for your space, including its current display name and description. It's the place designed for updating how the space appears across Confluence. Now edit the space name. Type the new name exactly as you want it shown, paying attention to spelling, capitalization, and any naming conventions your team follows. Choose a name that's clear and recognizable so people can find it quickly in search and navigation. Renaming the space updates its display name, not the space key or existing page URLs, so your links and bookmarks remain intact. When you're happy with the new name, save the updated space name. Give it a quick review before you confirm, especially if the space is widely used. A clean, descriptive name helps everyone stay aligned and reduces confusion. Finally, refresh Confluence and check that the new space name appears correctly. Look at the space header, the sidebar, the breadcrumbs on pages within the space, and the search results. If you're part of a larger team, you can also verify that the new name is visible to others by viewing it in a regular browsing session. That's it. You've opened the space, confirmed permission, navigated to space settings, adjusted the space details, edited and saved the name, and verified the change. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.